So if you have been on the fence about starting affiliate marketing, here are the 5 signs that tell you if you've actually ready, and a couple of these might surprise you. So if you're the friend who is always telling people what skincare to buy, or which app actually works, or which show to watch, then you're already doing the core skill that affiliate marketing is actually built on. You're just not getting paid for it as yet. A lot of people wait until they feel like an expert before starting. You don't need that. If you can honestly explain why something helped you, that's enough. I mean, affiliate marketing rewards honesty and real experience far more than credentials. Now, this isn't about broadcasting to strangers and hoping for the best. If you're willing to actually reply to comments, answer DMs, and have a real back and forth with someone who's curious, that's the actual engine behind this model. Now, if the idea of buying stock or storing it and shipping sounds exhausting, that's actually a sign affiliate marketing fits you better than something like drop shipping. There's no product to manage, you just the connection between a good product and a person who needs it. Now, the people who actually succeed in this aren't the ones who go viral once. They're the ones who show up consistently even when a post doesn't do much. So if you're okay with steady, unglamorous effort over time, then that's honestly the biggest sign of all. So recommending things naturally, being honest over being an expert, having real conversations, wanting no inventory, and being okay with consistency over instant results. If most of that sounds like you, then you genuinely ready to start. Now, if you read through these and thought, that's me, right? I just want you to comment ready, and I'll personally point you towards exactly how to start. See you in the next video.